It was a real struggle to get here. It was windy roads and rainy, but it's very beautiful once you get down here. Very muddy and steep to get down here, but once you get here...
It was worth it. What a beautiful place.
We are in Cashiers in the highlands of North Carolina.
Come along with us. It's just going to be me and Lori, and of course, featuring Riley. We're at Silver Run Falls, and you have something growing out of your chest.
We have the pooch pouch.
Okay, we ready? Ooh, we're going into the jungle. This is like the Jungle Cruise without the fake animals.
Yeah, this is the rhododendron forest, but they're not in bloom yet.
No, boy, it's pretty though, nice and green. Look, they have this fake tree across the trail to make it look authentic. You have to step up over. Ready? No? Want to take her off? You're so cute in there.
Where are you going to go, Rye?
Oh, the sun is coming out! The first time all week! What is that strange object in the sky? I went to get you over the log, maybe? So we managed to get over the... Oh, it's muddy in here. Coming up on the Great Discovery.
Wow. Okay, I'm going over to the
Oh yeah. We made it to the amazing Silver Falls. Now the next thing we do, Riley, are you ready to go over the falls in the barrel? Are you ready? Man, this is kind of like something you see on Avatar.
Look at this.
Or Lord of the Rings or something.
You going for a ride?
We are just driving up the Blue Ridge Parkway on our way to Graveyard Fields, and what spectacular views we have along the way. This is the highest point on the Blue Ridge Parkway, the Richard Balsam Overlook. at 6,053 feet. The views up here are absolutely stunning. I mean, you can see the different layers, like the Green Mountains are the closest ones, and then there's like a little bit lighter blue in the next layer back, and then as far as you can see, it's a little bit cloudy today, but you can see the lightest blue layer in the far distance, and just how many miles can you see? It seems like you're up in an airplane, and some of these roads, you're making a turn, there's no guardrails, and when you look down, it looks like you're looking down from an airplane onto those mountains. It's just really spectacular, just unbelievable. I've never been on a road this cool. We just always love to come to the Blue Ridge Parkway.
I love these balsam trees. Yes,
we're up high enough in elevation that they have these balsam trees up here now. And so a little bit different.
And you can see them all the way down, dispersed throughout. The light green and then the dark green are all the balsams.
It's just completely silent here, isn't it?
It is.
You hear some birds here and there. What an absolutely spectacular view here at Caney Fork Overlook. We finally made it to Graveyard Fields.
Yes!
We've been told this is an awesome hike, and as we were riding on the Blue Ridge Parkway, it went from sunny to foggy to rain, to back to sun, to back to fog, to back to rain. Temperature.
And down below was 80, and then it's like 62 or 3 right now. So.
Of course, the place where we need to hike is rainy, foggy, and cold.
And just up the road a few miles was nice and sunny.
Yeah, but anyway, we're here, and we're going to take you on this cool hike and see what we can find. Rhododendron forest. This is like walking on the yellow brick road to the land of Oz, isn't it?
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Kind of weird. It's like we're on Avatar.
Yeah, if it was sunny and bright, it'd be a little bit different atmosphere.
Yeah, but it's kind of neat. But the dreary dripping rain gives it a little bit of effect, you know?
Once again, we're in the dreary dripping rain. I think the rain's following us everywhere we go this week.
Yes, absolutely. Listen, fake waterfall sounds.
I hear water. I hear water.
This might be the shortcut for the hobbits. Don't fall down the hole. Time to go down to the falls. Hey there. That's a wrap for Graveyard Fields.
That is.
Pretty cool.
All the rhododendrons are out. I'm not sure they're out already in full bloom, but they're really pretty.
Yeah. You know, this is kind of you really don't even know about this place unless someone tells you, because it's just one of the roadside stops along the Blue Ridge Parkway. There's a million of them, and it's just one that happens to have hiking trails and beautiful waterfalls, and facilities to go to the bathroom. And
if they're open.
Yeah. So just Google it. If you're on the Blue Ridge Parkway, it's south of Asheville, and you can't. In fact, we drove by it and completely missed it. We had to turn around because there's no signs until you get in here. So
I thought for sure there'd be a sign, but no signs.
So, but it was really a fun time.